Ladies.
Hello.
Four young blondes. Kerry.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Nicola, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
And this is Kate.
Nice to meet you.
And Rebecca.
Good to meet you.
Likewise, good to see you. Now, you ladies think that you're good enough and talented enough and strong enough to work in a Ramsay kitchen, yes?
Yeah.
You've got a fully booked dining room. You are responsible for the starters, the main and the dessert. And we're going to be working as a team, yeah?
Absolutely.
Do not let me down.
No, we won't.
Yeah? Right, stove's on. Get these lit straight away.
Oh.
Nicola, what are you doing?
Trying it like this and making a hash of it.
You should know exactly how to light the fucking stove by now.
No, we did before, but somehow.
You did before. Fuck me, we're in for a tough night, no? Right, ladies. Yes? There's 12 tables out there.
Yeah.
And the first course is scrambled eggs. You're going to do one table each. On order, 5 couples, table 6. 5 scrambled egg, 5 black bream, 5 gratin savion. Yes, chef?
Yes, chef.
Right, Kerry, 5 scrambled eggs away.
Okay.
On order, 4 covers, table 11. 4 scrambled egg, 4 black bream, 4 savion gratin.
Yes, chef.
Let's go, ladies, come on.
Scrambled egg with wild mushroom is a delicious and easy starter. The brigade have been shown how to make it, and it's simple, but you have to concentrate.
Start slicing your bread. How many are you doing there, Kate?
4.
Yeah, Rebecca? I've asked for 4 from you as well, but there's nothing on.
Okay. Didn't realise we were doing stuff simultaneous.
Listen, ladies, the only way to do this is separate tables. You're only cooking, on average, 4 portions of scrambled eggs each. Nothing more than that.
Okay.
Nicola, get your eggs on.
But I thought I was doing the mushrooms.
We're doing 1 table each.
Okay.
So you've got 5 portions of scrambled egg. 4 portions, 5 portions, 4 portions, 4 portions.
3 in a frying pan, don't you? And that's it.
We're going to get so much to split this now.
Yes.
Taste that, Kerry. And tell me the first thing you taste in your mouth. Quick.
It's egg.
It's burnt. You can't taste that's burnt.
Yeah, I can.
Get it in the bin. Let's go.
Okay. Fine.
Rebecca?
Yeah.
What is that?
I know. I'm really,
Rebecca,
really...
no. Let go.
Because I put
yeah,
it
no,
in the
let
top
go.
half. Sorry. Really. I know. Okay. Sorry.
Get it in the bin and start again. So the brigade I've got actually think they can hack it are Kerry, Kate, Rebecca and Nicola. Kerry, bring them here. They're burnt as well. Show me. Lift the pan up. What are we doing? Come here. Yeah, ladies, Kerry, we've been cooking now for 20 minutes, yeah, and fuck all's happened. I'm not here for 5 hours, and all the customers, you know that. Before I met you guys, at least thought that you could fucking cook scrambled eggs times 4. Right now, we'll cook 5 more portions together, and then we follow suit again.
Okay. Yeah.
So scrambled egg with wild mushrooms, garlic, shallots, saute the shallots, and we get our mushrooms in, yes?
This is a fantastic way to use wild mushrooms. The richness of the scrambled egg really sets off the earthy flavour of the mushrooms.
Toast. I'm happy with that now. Been grilled, it's ready to roll. Mushrooms are working. Water's coming out of the mushroom, we're getting some colour on there, and more importantly, we're getting a bit of flavour on there, yes? I've got 5 portions of scrambled eggs to do, yes? 15 eggs, roughly 10 in there, yeah, 5 in there. Knob of butter in each one, yes? And then start, off and on, yeah?
Literally moving that quickly.
Off and, yeah, well, I mean, we've got to be that quick. Can I just say, we haven't served anyone yet, you know that?
We're just trying to get the timings right. So
Yeah, but it's just a little bit of thought, Kerry.
Okay.
I started you off slowly, and then it all went a little bit pear-shaped. Creme fraiche, chives, whisking. Right. Even now, the scrambled egg is still cooking. Yeah, that's right. Just remember one thing, this is not fucking breakfast in bed. These diners are paying for this food, do you understand? So it has to be fucking delicious. Right, spoon.
You might think scrambled egg is just for breakfast, but combined with luxurious wild mushrooms, it makes a great starter.
Garlic out, goodbye for the garlic, and then just scatter them around. Clean the plates, please. Okay. Right, ladies, are we happy with that?
Yeah.
New start?
Yeah.
Yes. A bit of composure. Yeah. Hello. And we communicate to one another. Okay?
Yes, Gordon.
Yeah?
Right,
Kerry, Nicola, let's go, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Right, Nicola.
Something's burning.
What's going on? Oh, for fuck's sake. Fucking hell. Hey, right, ladies. Hey, ladies. Oh, fuck me.
Gordon,
Yes, John Baptiste.
people are complaining about the smell of the burn in the restaurant.
What can I do?
No, I don't know. I tell you.
Open the window or open the door. Do something. Fucking
I'll try.
use your brain. I'm not interested in blaming anything. Look, we're fucking kitchens caked in smoke. This is just turning out to be a fucking disaster, you know. I'm excited about scrambled eggs, but right now I'm fucking shitting myself. You know that? This is not scrambled egg. This is a fucking... So I know they've been waiting for fucking ages. Hey, it's like a fucking war zone. Wouldn't be so bad if we're fucking cooking something complicated. Scrambled eggs!
What can I say, man?
It's been an hour and a half since the diners sat down, and 2/3 of the dining room are still to be served their scrambled egg with wild mushrooms.
I'm fed up. I'm thinking I fancy going down the pub. We've been waiting too long.
Come on, please. On order. Ladies, listen. 4 covers, table 2. 4 scrambled egg, 4 black bream, 4 sabayon. No answer.
Yes, Gordon. Yes, Gordon.
Oh, ladies.
Right.
Hello, Nicola.
Ready?
You're part of the team. It'd be nice if you could answer. I'll call it out again. None of us listening again. Is he just all switched off?
I'm ready now.
On order, 4 covers, table 2.
A tiny bit more.
Could you just talk a little bit less so when I
Sorry,
call over
okay.
you... You're not listening to me. I'm trying to call out an order, but your conversation is far more important. On order, 4 covers, table 2. 4 scrambled egg, 4 black bream, 4 sabayon.
Yes, Gordon.
Thank
Gordon.
you. Yeah,
they
hallelujah.
gone?
Let's
Are
go.
they-
Nice clean plates, yeah, all the way round, same way. Gentle, gentle, watch your tickets. That's it. We're in a kitchen now, yeah? Yeah, we're not in your fucking shit-hot, immaculate little kitchen at home in Chelsea. Let's go, yeah?
Tonight's brigade nominated themselves to work in my kitchen because they believe they're great cooks who've got what it takes.
Really
disappear.
really
Good.
high. Yeah?
Yeah, very. Put the spoon down and put the plate up. Let's go. Good. That's it.
It was a nice texture, it wasn't too dry, had a nice flavour and it was seasoned properly.
I would have eaten my dog's leg, I was that hungry.
I've got the result for the
Yeah,
starters.
right, ladies, hello, excuse me. Let's go.
Okay, so out of 50 diners tonight,
$50.
we got 33 people who are not paying
Why?
because they're not happy with the food.
Is it the time they waited or is it...
Time is the way it's been cooked. They don't want to pay.
No, I'm not fucking around now. Now you've got to really seriously pull it back up. Let's make it back, yeah, and let's win them back with a main course.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah? Let's go. Okay.